I'm here representing both myself and my boss, Siminalayi Fubara. He said all of you have come here today to demonstrate that you love him, to demonstrate that he is doing well. I want to tell us that, you know, they say, goat they born goat, human being they born human being, and pikin they look like him papa. And wetin who make you don't do, if they do as him papa Siminalayi, they do. That is all. Nakam again. The king of the boys, the chief of all the staff, has spoken on behalf of all of us. My owner, the mama side, to appreciate this son when they do like him, Papa. We want to thank Umejuru. We want to tell him that he hasn't disappointed us in any way at all. We say, na fine man, na lie, na fine man, as he told, na so he achievement talk. So, wait till na and my oga, Siminalayi Fubara, na prayer, na loyalty, na to know say they be a talk na do people. And as chief of staff talk, now say you go double. Local government they do, commissioner they do, governor they do, they put yourself they do. My brothers, my sisters, my mothers, my friends, this is what governance is all about. Governance is being able to touch the lives of people who ordinarily would not have been remembered. And that is the dream of Siminalayi Fubara. Rivers first! So we stand by Siminalayi Fubara, Dr. Siminalayi Fubara. We stand by his dreams. And without his dream, when he does serve, go, 100 years, people go remember. So one leader like Fubara been served. May God bless all of you. May you continue to pray for my boss and all of us.
So anyway, see that man mighty tell us when he said, charity Dele. He said, when they mighty when they sound, when they mighty sound. See everybody. I don't feel like you don't come out. 1, 2, stop. See, something that you. Something that see, because everything, anything I do, anytime I want to enjoy, anytime I want to laugh, when I want Sokoto, when I go Sokoto, the color, now you